Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW 540i xDrive sedan, Legacy Edition, in black blue. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW 540i xDrive sedan, Legacy Edition, in black blue. This is a special edition in Canada. This is the only way we can get a B58 combustion engine non-hybrid 5 Series in Canada, which is this Legacy Edition. And this one shown here is in black blue, and it does look absolutely fantastic. We're just in the corner of the showroom here, so I'm going to do my best to provide the shots. And once we've done this lap all the way around the vehicle, we'll definitely take a closer look at all the details. But I'm already digging this paint color. It's not quite tanzanite, it's not quite carbon black, it's black blue. So let's take a look at all the details. All right, so this color is called black blue. In very low light, it does look kind of black, but once the sun hits it, and I'm glad it's actually sunny today, look at this color. This color looks really good. I'm digging it so far. And yeah, you can see it. It's definitely not the same as a tanzanite. It's not the same as a carbon black. It's definitely different. And I'm just trying to see. I don't even think it's metallic. Looks like it's a high gloss paint, which actually looks really good this way. We've got these lines coming down here on the hood. BMW rondelle over here. And you have the one-piece black kidney grille that does illuminate, and you can actually see the active grille shutters are actually open right now, top and bottom. And we do have the front facing camera, vertical slats, and I really do like the front end on the new 5 Series. I think it looks so good. And it's interesting too, the Legacy Edition 5 Series, it doesn't come in Alpine white. It comes in all kinds of other nice colors, just not Alpine white, which is interesting because pretty well every single BMW comes in Alpine white, but being a special edition, I get it. Now if we take a closer look at these headlights, these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. They have the rake down posture, and it just looks really aggressive with those two lights there, and with the full low beam system on. Look at that. That looks great. Really like that. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 21-inch Aero wheels, 954 individual in jet black burnish with the red M Sport brake there. So that looks really nice. And if I step back for a side profile shot, you can kind of see where it's dark black, where it's lit up blue. And we do have the black rocker panel. And down at the bottom, there is a welcome light carpet, but it's so bright in here, it is barely visible. We have body colored side mirror with integrated turn signal and side camera. Glass roof up top. New style antenna. Black window surrounds. Flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the front. We also have the Hofmeister kink with the 5 emblazoned onto it. And we have the black spoiler on the trunk lid. There's your rear 954 individual wheel with the red caliper. And if we head to the back, you'll see that we have the double stacked L-shaped tail lights, 540i badging. It's been a while since we've seen this badge in our new car showroom. And down here, we have a big diffuser. There is an exhaust down here. And it is a double exit exhaust. I just wish there was some pipes, but hey, I'm glad we even have the B58 5 Series. I have the key with me. I'm just gonna give it a kick. And there we go, that opens up. We have tire inflator kit plus, release levers to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split, carpeted mats, the winter ones are on the floor already. A plastic bin is here. Another plastic bin is there. We have your grocery bag hangers on each side, and up top, button to close, another one to close and lock, but you can certainly Just kick your foot underneath the middle. And you can get this to close the hands-free way. Sweet. Now if we come around to the passenger side, fuel cap door is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. Counterclockwise, one click. There's a spot to put this while you're refueling. And if I open the rear door, you'll see inside we do have the black interior. We have Bowers & Wilkins sound system. It's lit up there. There's your window switch, door pull, pockets with some ambient lighting in there as well. And you can see we've got some blue contrast stitching on the headrests. And center center armrest here. Pass-through is the button up top here. Button is just right there. And up top we have a few microphones for Bluetooth, handles, coat hangers, some lights. And on the back of the center console we have some vents, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, heated seats for the 2 outer positions, and a little storage space. These are the accessory winter mats. It's illuminated down there, and there's some more vents. So it actually looks really nice back here, especially with that Bowers & Wilkins. So let's shut this door. We'll go to the front door next. So once I open up this door, you'll see we have the interaction light bar going all throughout. And we have Bowers & Wilkins, carbon fiber, window switch, pockets, full power seat with lumbar, blue contrast stitching, got some Alcantara M tricolors on the piping, and this Alcantara has the M colors in it as well, which is kind of sweet. And over here we have that carbon fiber with the silver thread through it, soft touch materials on the dash. Down here there's a button for your glove box. We have iDrive 8.5 on the curved display, more ambient light, wireless charger on the left side there, cup holders with 2 USB Type-C charging ports, glass iDrive controller, glass push start button, and we have your gear selector, volume wheel, and if I press this you'll see that there is a 12-volt plug in there. So let's shut this door, we'll go to the driver's side next. Alright, so if we approach from the driver door, open that up, you'll see we have Bowers & Wilkins, ambient light, memory seats, seat menu, lock, unlock, all your window controls are here. This car was just tinted 35%, and side mirror controls, tailgate releases down here, full power seat width, lumbar once again. Seats look great, and we have the flat bottom steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock, black marker at 12 o'clock, head-up display, and don't forget that the 5 Series sunshade scrolls to the front, kind of like the 7 Series. Also have the interior camera in here, garage door opener buttons, and this does have active cruise control as far as I can see here. So it looks like we've got distance control, but it doesn't have the full assisted driving plus. And we also have all the self-parking stuff, including recorded parking path. So that means if you use the Digital Key Plus through the My BMW app, you could also have remote control parking, meaning you can get out of the car and maneuver the vehicle through your phone without you being in the car. And we have the paddle shifters, and it's nice to have both of them because this is actually a gas-powered vehicle with a regular type of transmission, ZF. And now that I've exited the vehicle, you can see we have exterior lighting controls down here, pedals, and underneath here is your hood release. So it's 1, 2, and it does say 2 times on the pedal or the handle there. So let's get to the front here. We won't have to find anything, you just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo. This one has 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. So this is the same B58 we find currently in the X5 xDrive 40i. We also have positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, and washer fluid is way over here. So that is pretty sweet. And engine bay is well appointed. You got these 2 strut bars here. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just center down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. Car looks great, especially in this color combination. And since we're at the back and this is our internal combustion 6-cylinder, let's do a remote engine start, cold start. 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. Sounds great. And the active grille shutters have closed. And if I 1, 2, 3 again to get it to stop, it's probably gonna need some air and that will open back up again. So that is sweet. So how do you like the BMW 540i Legacy Edition in black blue? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW 540i xDrive sedan Legacy Edition in black blue with the black interior, 21-inch wheels, red brakes. I think this is pretty awesome. We got B58 power in the house. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.